Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the app ready and opening a document. Sign in so your files sync, then tap plus to create or pick a recent file to edit. Once done, make sure OneDrive autosave is on so changes update across devices. You'll want a stable connection for large files. If offline, toggle offline mode and save locally. Now you're ready to enter text. Tap the screen and the keyboard appears. Type your first paragraph and glance at the toolbar for formatting options. You'll now perform the detailed editing and layout tasks. Select text to reveal formatting tools, change font size, color, or apply styles to keep headings consistent. Tap Insert to add images, tables, or links. Hold and drag images to reposition. For collaboration, enable track changes and add comments from the review menu so others can see edits. Once done, switch view modes to read or outline to check structure, and use find/replace to clean up repeated phrases. You finish by saving and sharing your work, then handling common problems. Confirm autosave is active or choose Save As to make a separate copy. Export to PDF when finalizing. Use Share to send a link or attach the file, and set edit or view permissions so recipients have correct access. If something fails, check available storage and app updates first. Clear the app cache or restart the device. If sync errors persist, sign out and sign in again to refresh credentials and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.